guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be doing a demo slash review on this product right here. So this is the Ouch Relief by Sally Hansen. It's another wax kit. If you guys didn't see my other video, this is the video right here. I did get a lot of questions on that previous video about the actual wax strips, and if I could do one that didn't have any wax strips. So this one does not come with wax strips. It's just the wax. They come with numbing wipes. It comes with like the popsicle sticks. It comes with all of this. So this is what's included in the actual package. I think this was about $8. I got it from CVS. So this package claims that it has results that last up to 8 weeks, and it's supposed to be painless. Now I've used this before, and the way that I was using it was close to my bikini line. So maybe that's why it didn't seem like it was ouchless, because that shit hurt. That shit hurt. So this time I'm gonna try it on my legs, just a normal area. I'm not gonna do it on my underarms because my underarms are pretty good right now. Y'all know I use my regular old kit this video. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So I did already use the Ouch Relief numbing wipes. I already used these on my legs, and don't talk about me how the wax looks. This is how the wax is, like all over the thing, but and then the popsicle stick is broke, but it's okay because the wax is still in there, and it's this consistency. I think I'm gonna let it cool for another 2 minutes. So I did put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes, which was too long. You probably just need 1 minute. I'm sorry I keep looking right here because this is where, you can see how you look. And I know I look crazy because I ain't got no makeup on and pimples are starting to come in, but it's okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna let it cool down for another 2 minutes, and then I'll come back, show y'all how I apply it and how I snatch that shit off. Okay, so I did let it cool down a little bit. The hairs on my leg aren't that bad, so they're like fine hairs, but you can definitely still see them. So I'm just gonna take it. Now my hair looks like it grows downward, so that's how I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna apply it going downward, and I hope y'all can see this. Let me zoom out just a little bit. So I'm gonna apply it going downward. And then the consistency is a lot better, so it's not as liquidy. That's what you want. It is very stringy. That's one thing I can say that I don't really care for. So this is the spot. Wait a couple seconds for it to harden up. While it's hardening up, what I typically do is just make it so I can pull it up. So I lift it up a little bit like that, and then rip it off. Looks like this. So I did get a couple hairs. Like I said, I have fine hairs on my leg. Okay, so I'm back. Y'all know with my channel, I'm gonna give you the real deal. So the real deal is I would not recommend this Ouch Relief Sally Hansen stripless hard wax kit. I would not recommend this to anybody. And let me tell you why. So it comes with all this neat little stuff, which is cute, but the wax itself, it doesn't even pull off all your hairs. And I know I told y'all before I had used it. I used it on my bikini line, and it wouldn't get some of the hairs that were on my bikini line. And I was like, well, maybe it's because it's meant to be like for your underarms, for your legs, your arms, and stuff like that. Well, really, it says for face and body. So it wasn't like I was trying to give myself a Brazilian wax, but I was just trying to clean up, you know, the bikini area, like close to my thighs and inner thighs and stuff like that, and it didn't work. And this time, when I'm using it on my legs, which it should work, it did not work, y'all. Like, it got a couple of hairs, to be honest, it did, but I shouldn't have to go over one spot 3 times just to get the hairs off my legs. And on top of that, this is not Ouchless. I don't care how many packets of this Ouchless Relief Numbing Wipes you use, it still hurt. So it still hurts, didn't get all the hairs, and now I just gotta do my regular wax kit on my legs. So double the pain. I wouldn't recommend this. I wouldn't. I just wouldn't. Like, my legs aren't, I'm not even super hairy on my legs, but I thought, you know, because it's the summertime, I'm gonna be wearing shorts, my legs gonna be out, swimsuits, different things like that. This shit did not work, y'all. And I'm very disappointed because I've only used it maybe twice. Another thing, it's so messy. Look how messy this is. Like, regular wax is messy too, I'm not gonna lie, but this is ridiculous. Like, the usual wax kit that I use, again, it is not that messy. Wax is sticky and stuff, but it's not that bad. So what I'm gonna do is use the oil wipe, clean off the excess wax, and then I'm gonna have to wax my legs. But don't buy this. Don't waste your money, honey. If you guys have any other comments or questions about this product, don't be afraid to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.